Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to get out to the woods and we're going to clear a path for the deer stand on the north end. And doing so, we're going to bring the tractor out. And we've got a deck mower. We're going to load the chainsaw up onto the deck mower and bring it out to the woods to clear a path. Okay, so we got to the spot, and normally it's pretty cleared out to walk straight into the woods. Okay, so if I could drive the tractor straight through here and maybe this spot or further down this direction and out. Gonna have to get some of these pieces of dry wood out of the way, though. That mower is gonna do a good job of getting this chopped down. I can tell you that much, but I still want to clear as much big stuff as we can, so it doesn't just surprise you with a zinger. I think we can almost just drive straight through right now. Right out there. So let's take a look on the outside edge here. Just check this out to make sure that there's no big logs that we're gonna smash into. Okay, we got some down here, but I can always just move those out of the way. Good. Cool. Maybe chop down this one limb here. Oh man, this is gonna be nice. The things I do for my brother. That's about it. This is where you would walk right here. I see John's got a trail camera right up there in that tree. I wonder if I can just move this. Or maybe. Oh, jeez. Engage. Give her some speed. And let's go slow. Got her done! As you can see, before and after, this is incredibly different. Walking to your deer stand like this is going to be so much nicer. Now, the only thing I can think of now would be to get a rake out here and rake all the leaves to the side so you can walk pretty quiet. But man alive, look at this. What a difference having a tractor with the mower on it does. This is the path right to John's deer stand. I was able to get back up in here and mow this down as well. And there's the deer stand. This is gonna be a perfect shot right here. Deer stand right there. Deer coming on a trail. Walk straight through. Right there. And we've got it all the way out too. This got kind of soft over here. Well, that's all for this episode. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and hit like on this video. It helps us out a lot. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the transformation. Let me know down in the comments if you think deer are scared of sound in their area, or if deer are going to be A-okay with this.